Life's messy. That's why BISSEL engineered the Spot Clean Pro. It's our most powerful spot cleaner, and it's ideal for removing stains from virtually anywhere in your home or car. The compact and portable design lets you take superior stain-fighting formula and superior suction to hard-to-reach spots where messes happen, but full-sized upright carpet cleaners may not fit. When the small, hard-to-reach stains strike, Spot Clean Pro is there to help. Most messes can't be erased with just a rag and cleaner. That's why BISSEL is happy to offer the Spot Clean Pet Pro Spot Cleaner. This machine provides superior vacuum-like suction in a compact and portable machine, giving you professional power right in the palm of your hand. It has a large capacity tank that holds 96 ounces of liquid. That works out to more than 2.5 times the size of our next largest tank, so you don't have to empty or fill these ones as often. Plus, we engineered it with a long hose and power cord, so you get extra reach while cleaning tricky spots like stairs, pet beds, car interiors, and area rugs. It's the powerful stain removal machine that every home with pets should have on hand.
With all those muddy messes and inevitable spills, daily cleanups can feel never-ending. That's why the HOOVER Power Scrub Elite delivers a powerful clean and faster dry time. Set it to quick clean to tackle surface stains right when they happen, while Heat Force helps dry your carpets in less than 45 minutes, so you can get right back to what matters most. Or just turn a dial to clean deeper, lifting embedded dirt and removing stubborn stains with ease. And no matter what mode you choose, HOOVER's unique spin scrub brushes take on the toughest messes while being gentle on your carpet. So finally, there's a way to enjoy your clean home in less time. The Power Scrub Elite Carpet Cleaner by HOOVER.